Infinite zooming is a fascinating concept that allows users to zoom in or out seamlessly and continuously, without losing resolution or detail. While Google Earth Studio itself does not inherently support true infinite zooming, due to the limitations of satellite imagery and 3D data resolution, the concept can be partially achieved through creative techniques and other tools. Here are some points about infinite zooming and its relation to geographic visualization. 1. Concept infinite zooming refers to the ability to zoom into a scene or image continuously, without encountering pixelation or a loss of detail. This concept is often used in fractal art, mathematical visualizations, and certain types of graphical representations. 2. Implementation in Google Earth Studio. Transition effects. While not truly infinite, you can create smooth transition effects in Google Earth Studio by carefully planning your zoom levels and camera movements. This involves animating the camera to zoom in or out over a series of frames, creating the illusion of a continuous zoom. Layer integration. By integrating various data layers and transitioning between them, users can simulate a deeper zoom effect. For example, starting with a high-altitude view of Earth and gradually zooming into street-level imagery. 3. Data resolution. The practical limitation in Google Earth Studio comes from the resolution of satellite imagery and 3D models. As you zoom in closer, the data eventually reaches its maximum available resolution. Beyond this point, further zooming does not reveal more detail, but instead shows the limits of the imagery. 4. Usage in presentations and videos. Infinite zoom effects are popular in presentations and videos to create engaging visual narratives. They can be used to highlight details, start from a broad view, and zoom into a specific location or object to emphasize details. Contextual transitions seamlessly transition between different geographic scales from global to local perspectives. Storytelling. Guide the audience through a visual journey, connecting different places or points of interest. 5. Other tools and techniques. Fractal zooming. For true infinite zooming, fractal software and algorithms are used. These create mathematically generated images that maintain detail at any zoom level. Multi-resolution imagery. Some advanced tools use multi-resolution imagery, where different levels of detail are dynamically loaded based on the zoom level, creating a more continuous zoom effect. 6. Examples in media. Infinite zooming is often seen in documentaries, educational videos, and interactive maps, where it is essential to maintain audience engagement and provide a comprehensive understanding of geographic data. By creatively combining these techniques and tools, it is possible to simulate an infinite zoom effect even if the underlying data has practical resolution limits.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.